Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Gmail account. Whether you're accessing your emails from a new device or simply need a refresher on the login process, this straightforward guide will have you reading your messages in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type mail.google.com and press Enter. This takes you directly to the Gmail homepage where you can access your account. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Gmail interface with various information about the service. Next, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to begin the login process. This button is your gateway to accessing all your emails and account features. After clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your credentials. In the first field, type your Gmail email address or phone number. This is the identifier associated with your account. Once you've entered this information, click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see a new screen asking for your password. Carefully type your account password into the provided field. Make sure you enter it correctly as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your password, click Next again to complete the login process. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Gmail inbox. Here you can see all your emails, compose new messages, and manage your account settings. Your account is now fully accessible and ready to use. If you need to sign out when you're finished, simply click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Sign Out. This ensures your account remains secure, especially when using shared or public computers. This login process works on any device with internet access, whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or even a tablet with a web browser. It's a universal method that keeps your emails accessible wherever you need them. Thanks for watching.